Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we're going to talk about amphibians. Now, I've learned so many different things from our friends at the Topeka Zoo about so many different animals. I just sometimes have a hard time remembering some of those fun facts. So I have a science experiment for you to remember something important about amphibians. Now, I learned that amphibians have permeable skin, which means they are able to absorb oxygen into their skin to help them survive. Now, a lot of the times I forget about the absorbing part because their skin is so unique. So I have a science experiment for you. All you need is a cup of water, a plate, a paper towel, and some markers. Now, what you need to do to your paper towel is on one half of it, draw an outline of an amphibian. I chose a frog. And then we're going to fold it in half, kind of like a book. And on the inside, you're going to draw the same amphibian, but this time you're going to color it in. And then you're going to fold it in half so that the outline is on the front and the inside is the colored in version. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pour the water onto the plate, and then you're going to set your paper towel booklet into the water and watch as the water goes into the paper towel. That paper towel absorbs the water, just like permeable skin absorbs oxygen. This has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.